No, I will not allow you because you are not sure about the way you are going to make to go there.
But I make some new fruits.
Are you sure about that? No, I forbid you because you will just waste time and practice.
The king of the Portuguese rejected Magellan's suggestion of keeping the end by taking a part. That part went to the king of the Spain, King Charles I.
Why are you here?
Sir, my best some question for myself and
I will give you a goods and I will allow you to sail, but in one condition. If you find the Spice Island, you report me.
King Charles gave him a few ammunitions and 5 ships, the Victoria, Conception, Santiago, San Antonio, and the Trinidad. He was instructed to sail directly to Miami and bring back cargo of prices and but on their way,
Ano yan? Ay.
some men are dying because of lack of food, and some are being sick in the ship. You're lacking of goods now. And some of our men are dying of food. They were about to give up when we landed at last at Homonton, the inhabited island of south of Panay. Let's see. They were all sick until the Filipinos came. The Filipinos, as known, were very hospitable. That's why they cured the Spaniards. Give them foods and shelter. At last, the Spaniards were killed, and as an exchange, we gave them mirrors and combs and bells so that they can comb their hair.